I've been teaching for over 20 years, so I'm going to talk about test anxiety. Probably one of the biggest reasons why students have some anxiety about taking a test is because they don't know the material. So if you go to class, if you study, and you prepare for that test, your anxiety will be a lot less, or maybe that doesn't exist at all. The other thing is make sure you get some good rest. I think sometimes folks think cramming is the best way to study for a test. Not really. Study as much as you can, get a good night rest, if you eat breakfast, eat some breakfast, study before you go to class, and then take the test. And having sleep makes your brain work, you're able to think, and whatever comes up, you're going to be able to deal with a lot better than having no sleep the night before cramming for a test. So I'm curious, how do you all take care of test anxiety? Let me know. Write in the comments here. I'm always curious as well. So I think those are the things that I would do to make sure whenever I took a test, I was prepared for it, and I got a good night rest, and I studied for it. And I give a little bit of a bonus tip because I used to drive to school about 30 minutes, and I would make cassette tapes of the material that I was studying. So today you obviously can do that with your phone or listen to MP3s or whatever. Record that, put that on your Bluetooth on your car, and as you drive over, listen to yourself talk, read your notes as the study material that you're doing. So that way you're even studying as you're driving. Yeah, compute that. As always, rock and roll, and of course it does compute. If you like this type of content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel because I would totally compute. Yeah, write in the comments, how do you deal with test anxiety? Yeah, let me know.